In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect two devices in V380 Pro. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In V380 Pro, you can have as many devices as you want connected, and of course you can connect two. So to start, open V380 Pro, and from the home screen of the app, tap the plus sign here to add a new device. So under the home screen, go to the plus sign, tap it, and now follow the instructions on screen. There are many ways to add a device. The primary one is going to be by scanning a QR code. If you have that available and it's easier for you, then you can choose this option. Alternatively, you can tap here and choose from a variety of other options. You can also add the device using its ID. It doesn't matter which option you pick. Simply browse through all of the options and find the one that is most suited for your particular device that you want to add. So an example would be Wi-Fi Smart Camera. Then you have QR code, AP Hotspot, Wi-Fi Smart Link, and through the device ID. As I've mentioned, I'm repeating myself, it doesn't matter, just choose one and proceed. So in this example here, the device ID is being used. Once you input the correct information and you go through the instructions listed here to add your device, give it a name, and now the first device is going to appear on the home screen. And now there's no secret, you just tap the plus sign again and you repeat the exact same steps. There's no restrictions. So you tap the plus sign, you will see the add device screen once more, you choose between a QR code, or you tap on this button here if you want additional options, and then you just follow through the same exact instructions. Once this is done, device 2 will appear right beneath device 1, and you can keep repeating this with as many devices as you want to add to V380 Pro. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.